You know what? I could wipe those runs off right now. Let's wipe those off. Okay, let's start right there. You get all this stuff from GoPro, and I just never use it. All right, but I wanted you guys to be a part of this. We are gonna lay on our first couple of sprays right here. And let's see, well, that all went to hell. Screw it. All right. Let's see what happens. Little Mr. Chrome. He should look freaking awesome. This is going to take a lot of paint. I might should have primered this. Yeah. Might should have put some primer down, Casey. Yeah, this is never going to cover this. There's no way. You know what? Oh, look at that run. Damn it! All right. We picked a bad color, Case. Son of a bitch. You know, I just wanted it to be easy. I just wanted it to be easy. All right, well, okay, so here's what we got to do now. We're going to let this dry, and we're going to have to lay down some kind of a base coat. It's kick-ass awesome paint, though. But it's, I guess with the red background, it's making it look more magenta-y. But see, there's no way I'll be able to cover up all these marks. There's just no way. All right, well, this is going to take more than I thought. Son of a... Oh. Well, guess we're going to have to go get some primer now. I didn't even think about laying a base coat down. That's my own damn fault. You know what I could do? Okay, let's regroup. Okay, here's what we're going to do. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Once upon a time, I bought some paint because I was going to paint a little boat. I wonder where it was teal, and it's right there. No, there's no way. Okay, that's old as piss. All right, guys, well, once again, we've got a delay. Now it's time, we're going to have to figure out what we're going to lay down as the base coat. Because I got to let this dry now because I'm going to have to sand off the runs, otherwise it's going to look like ass. See, the reason why it ran, I mean, obviously I am not a pro painter, but the reason why it ran is because I tried to lay it on so thick. But see, once we cover most of this up with like a dark blue or a purple, once we do that, so once we cover it up with a dark blue and a purple, yeah. You know what? I could wipe those runs off right now. Let's wipe those off. Be easier than sanding them. Be easier than sanding them. All right, so let's, okay, let's start right there. Yeah. Oh, yeah, baby. Oh, yeah. All right, that's better. That'll be easier than sanding the little guys. All right, so now we'll let it completely dry. We'll sand off what we've done, and we'll lay some blue down. Yeah. All right, so blue or purple? That's what we got to find out if we're going to lay blue or purple. Sorry, guys. I didn't even think about this. I'm very sorry. Your boy keeps letting you down. But that just means it'll be all the more sweet when it gets finished. I do kind of like the pink, though. Anyway. It's the way it always works. Thank you guys for so much for watching and participating. And yeah, sorry.